Hey everyone, welcome back to Unwind Vibes. I'm Asees, and today we're diving into chair yoga, perfect for anyone who wants a gentle yet effective full body stretch and strengthening session without needing to get on the mat. Segment 1: Introduction to Chair Yoga. Chair yoga is a wonderful practice, whether you're at work, at home, or even recovering from an injury. This style of yoga is accessible to everyone and helps improve flexibility, balance, and posture, all while staying seated or using a chair for support. Let's begin with some easy movements that you can do anytime during the day. Segment 2: Warm up. Start by sitting tall, feet flat on the floor, and spine long. Roll your shoulders up towards your ears, then gently back and down. Now, take a deep breath in and bring your arms overhead. Stretch tall, and as you exhale, bring your arms down. Segment 3: Main poses. Number 1: Seated cat-cow. For cat-cow, place your hands on your knees. Inhale, arch your back, lift your chest, and look slightly up. Exhale, round your spine and tuck your chin. This helps to loosen the spine and relieve tension. Number 2: Seated forward bend. With your feet grounded, gently hinge forward from your hips, allowing your chest to rest on your thighs, and relax your arms towards the floor. Inhale to come back up. Number 3: Seated twist. Now, place your right hand on the back of the chair, left hand on your knee. Inhale and lengthen your spine, then exhale and twist gently to the right. Hold for a few breaths and repeat on the other side. Number 4: Seated leg lifts. Lift one knee towards your chest, holding for a moment, then lower it back down. This strengthens the lower body without straining the joints. Segment 4: Cool down relaxation. To finish off, let's take a moment to unwind. Close your eyes, take deep breaths, and let your body relax. Feel the tension melt away. Thank you so much for joining me today for this chair yoga session. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, and share with someone who could benefit from this gentle practice. Remember, you don't need a fancy studio or special equipment to take care of your body. Just a chair and some time. See you in the next video here on Unwind Vibes.